Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from?
I come from England.
You come from England. Do you like Manchester United?
Oh, I don't like football.
You don't like football. I see. Why did you come here?
I came for vacation.
You came for vacation. Are you having fun?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best about here?
What do I like the best? Wow, the people very kind.
Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food?
Yes, the food is great.
Is the food too spicy for you?
No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day.
How much longer will you stay here?
I will stay 2 more days.
Then you will go home?
Yes, then I will go home.
Where do you work?
I work for a big company.
What kind of company do you work for?
I work for an import company. And what about you?
I work at a bank.
Are you buying teller?
No, I'm the owner.
Oh,